Well, hello everyone and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to get started with Jupitrr AI. Jupitrr is a versatile platform designed to assist you with a range of tasks. Think of Jupitrr as a helpful tool that can streamline your workflows, spark new ideas, and provide support in various areas. So whether you're looking to organize information, generate creative content, or simplify your complex processes, Jupitrr offers features to help you achieve your goals. Our main goal in this video is to get you started and demonstrate how it can be a valuable asset in your daily activities. We'll walk you through what Jupitrr can do, highlighting its key features and functionalities and potential applications. By the end of this video, you have a better footing of Jupitrr, how it can benefit you, and be ready to take your first steps in using it effectively. So let's dive right in and explore its possibilities. Now, if you haven't signed up for Jupitrr AI just yet, you can use my code JohnCarloCaris10 for a 10% off down below. So let's get started. Now, one of the first things you might want to do when you're getting started before actually clicking the Get Started for Free option is to go over to pricing. Now, what this does is it helps you understand your expectation depending on the plan you're on. Starting with the first plan, you have the starter. Currently, it's at $10.08. You can actually fulfill 10 minutes of AI audio. You get to remove the watermark and you have social media quality export. If you're dealing with the creator, which is the most popular plan, you will need to pay $13.2. And from 10 minutes with the starter, you get 360 minutes with the AI video. If you go over to the Pro, you're talking about $25.2 at 500 minutes of AI video. If you're looking for something larger, you will need to book a call in order to get the business custom in order to get your quote. This is an unlimited number of minutes for the AI video. And now that we know the different plans, based on the annual pricing, where you will get to save 40%, we can now go ahead to the homepage. Then here, we're going to click on Get Started for Free. On this page, you get to choose your option for signing up. You have the option to start with Google or with your email address. If you wouldn't like to have your Jupitrr AI connected with your Gmail, you can connect with another mail. In this case, we will be choosing to continue with Google. So on this page, you're going to give some information about yourself, what best describes you, where do you want to post your content, and how did you hear about Jupitrr AI. So we're going to be going through these options one at a time. Now this is important as you can see the red asterisks right there. So you're going to use the first drop down. We have consultant or coach, small business, mid-sized business or enterprise, content creator, hobbyist, or for school. So we're going to choose content creator. And then where do you post your content? We're going to use the drop down and we can say YouTube. Now in this case, you can actually use multiple options. So we're going to say Instagram and internet use. Great. So now you have the how did you hear about Jupitrr AI? And when you use the drop down, you can see the different options right here. Of course, if it's on YouTube you're hearing this, you can choose social media. So we're going to choose social media, which has examples such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Click on Submit. Now on this page, it says that you can upload your video and it works best with videos under 2 minutes and in English. So we're going to click on this to add our video. So after clicking on the video on our local drive, it says to add a video name. So you'll need to do this. And for the language, it's on automatic to detect the language. So we're going to give this video my first video, just to give it a name and then clicking continue. Now you need to wait for a little bit while it's processing your video. You can see the status right here. And you can see that the next thing it's going to need to do is to generate subtitles and then add visuals. So we're going to give it a few minutes to do this. It's done generating subtitles and we're down to the last step of adding visuals. And as you can see, we have something to work with. So here on the left sidebar, you have presets, videos, and subtitles. Now underneath presets, you have video presets where you get to choose the style of your video. By default, it's selected aesthetic. You can click on clean, bold, subtle, or power. Now these refer to the different subtitles or video presets following these subtitles, and currently we're on aesthetic. So now we're going to nicely move over to video. And here you can see the B-rolls, and we're going to be seeing how it pulls off at the end. But here you can see B-roll transition, AI emojis, hook text, initial animation, A-roll color filter, background music. Now, why are we calling all these points? Now, these are basically options that you can decide to toggle on or toggle off if you don't want them on your video. So these are basically options to use. Then over here in subtitles, you can see that it's been able to generate the subtitle neatly from our video. So would you like to see the result? Of course, so let's go ahead and click and play.
iPhones, sleek design, intuitive iOS, and a powerful ecosystem, known for their strong performance, high-quality cameras, and tight integration with Apple's services. A premium smartphone experience prioritizing user-friendliness and a vast app store.
As you can see, that was the result of what Jupitrr could do in a few moments. And maybe you also noticed that we had the subtitles at the top because we briefly moved from aesthetic to subtle. Now, if we go over to aesthetic, back again, and then play the video, do take note of the difference.
iPhones, sleek design, intuitive iOS, and a powerful ecosystem, known for their strong performance.
Now from the aesthetic, you can see we had some extra write-ups here at the top, and we also have these subtitles right here, but in a gray background, and this is really good. So if you actually choose both, for example, the video will refresh and provide a new style for your video. Let's try this out.
iPhones, sleek design, intuitive.
Awesome, right? So you can see this highlights all the words as it moves along. So you get to choose which one you want. And then at the end, when you're ready, you can go ahead and export your video. Now, when we click on the back to library, this is the button that you can find at the top left area here. So right here, this is our Jupitrr AI dashboard where you can actually create a new video, view your library, and this is where we actually are. And that's why you can see our first video. And here you can see affiliate. Now with the affiliate program, you can actually earn 30% commission on every payment made by others through your referrals. So this is another step you could take to getting used to Jupitrr. When we go back, you can see some frequently asked questions, and then you have settings. When we select settings, you're going to see the name of the account you're using, your subscription plan, and you have the option to reset your password or delete your account. If you'd like to upgrade from one plan to the other, you can click the upgrade button right here. Then you have the button to log out when you're done with your creative process. We hope that at this point, we've been able to give you a good head start on getting started with Jupitrr AI. And if you'd like to sign up to Jupitrr AI at this point, you can use my code JohnCarloCaris10 for a 10% off down below. You can get on Jupitrr AI and start your creative process. And thanks for watching.